API endpoints often fail marketplace review because of incorrect status codes, incomplete X402 challenges, or missing X-layer fields. ASP ProbeKit detects these problems before submission. ProbeKit is a security-focused pre-flight validator for free and X402-powered A2 MCP endpoints. Developers provide a public HTTPS endpoint, and ProbeKit returns deterministic checks, evidence, and recommended fixes. First, this free API returns HTTP 200 with structured JSON. ProbeKit confirms that it is reachable and suitable as a free A2 MCP service. Next, this endpoint returns HTTP 402 but omits the required payment challenge. ProbeKit identifies the exact failure and explains how the provider should correct it. This demonstration contains a structurally valid X402 challenge. ProbeKit validates its payment fields and X-layer configuration without performing a real payment. Every audit is also available through the ProbeKit API, returning a machine-readable score, classification, past checks, failures, evidence, and recommended fixes. ASP ProbeKit is registered and verified on OKX AI as ASP number 9642 with Endpoint Readiness Audit available as a free service. ProbeKit helps ASP developers ship marketplace-ready endpoints faster.